Hello, my name is Karen Smith from Bright Spark Electrical Services, your local electricians. I'm the owner, director and one of the electricians at Bright Spark. Over the last few months we've been asked to install a lot of loft lighting. So in this short video I'm going to show you some examples of some of the lighting we've installed, whether it's just been a simple pendant light using a low energy LED light fitting, or replacing something like an old fluorescent light fitting which has failed and you can't get hold of it, to a new low energy LED light fitting. Take a look through the video to give you some examples and how and what we install. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our video channel to learn more.